Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. Today I'm in the Victoria Tower Gardens by the Houses of Parliament and the Victoria Tower, and I want to tell you about one of the most amazing monuments in London. It is the Buxton Memorial, and you can find it here in the Victoria Tower Gardens. Your closest station is Westminster Station, and the Buxton Memorial is simply phenomenal. It was erected to commemorate the emancipation of the slaves following the 1833 Slavery Abolition Act. The memorial was donated by Charles Buxton MP in memory of his father, Sir Thomas Fowell Buxton, and those associated with him in the struggle for the abolition of slavery in the British colony. It was originally sited on Parliament Square, but eventually moved here in 1957 to mark the 150th anniversary of the 1807 Act abolishing the transatlantic slave trade. And it was designed by S.S. Toulon in the Gothic style, and the spire is timber framed and clad with enamel sheet steel, and many different materials and decorative techniques are used, including grey and pink granite, limestone, grey and red sandstone, Rosso marble, enameled metalwork, wrought iron and mosaic terracotta. So it is a very phenomenal monument and a very important monument looking at our history in the United Kingdom, in Britain, and particularly in London. And you get some phenomenal photo opportunities with the Victoria Tower that you can see in the background over there, and the Union flag flying high and mighty. And in fact, if we get a bit closer to have a look through the arches, which are of course Gothic style, and you've got some lovely decorations in there, you can get another phenomenal shot of the Victoria Tower through the arches over here. So if you love your photography, be sure to come and check out the Buxton Memorial in the Victoria Tower Gardens and have a look at all this marvelous beauty. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, remember, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing London videos. Thanks so much. Bye.